Which gas is used for air conditioning in railway coaches? Refrigerant. A. R22, R134A. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. D. Helium. Correct answer is A. Common refrigerants used in AC coaches include R22, phasing out, and R134A, HFC.